Today I'm going to show you how to pan roast a delicious grouse, so let's do it. So the first step for cooking our grouse, you want to pop on the oven and turn the heat up high. And grouse doesn't take very long to cook at all, so I like to make sure that we prepare some butter and some garlic. So take some unsalted butter and you just want to chop that into cubes ready to go. And once you've cubed up some butter, you want to take yourself a bulb of garlic, and we want about 4 to 5 cloves roughly. Don't peel them, just give them a good crush with the back of a knife and then pop those into a bowl along with your butter ready to cook. And next, our grouse. Grouse is an amazing game bird with a really distinct and delicious flavour. It's really easy to cook and a real treat to eat. So take your grouse and you want to add a really tiny dash of olive oil. Rub the olive oil into the grouse just to help our seasoning stick, and then you want to season the grouse with some sea salt. Make sure you get the sea salt right into that cavity, and then a few twists of some freshly ground black pepper. Rub the seasoning into the grouse and mop up all of that seasoning on the board, and then you want to turn on your heat, turn it to medium, add a few knobs of butter to the pan, and once the butter starts to get nice and foamy, you want to lay in your grouse. It's always best to use a pan with curved sides so you can brown off all sides of the grouse nice and easy. So turn the grouse around in the pan, and then after about 45 seconds you want to chuck in your garlic. We also want some rosemary and thyme, so chuck in a nice handful of your herbs, and then throw in another few knobs of butter just to baste the grouse for a few minutes. And we literally want to pan roast the grouse for about 2 minutes or so, basting as we go. You want to get a really nice bit of colour on the outside of the bird, and then after about 2 to 2.5 minutes you want to pop your grouse into the oven, where we're going to roast it off for another 2.5–3 minutes. So after about 3 minutes our grouse will be ready, so get that out of the oven, and it's really important to let the grouse rest for about 3 minutes on a chopping board. As you can see, the grouse is perfectly medium rare, delicious, juicy and pink, so give grouse a try, and I'll see you next time.